Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today is April 19th. So this video was about it will be about any short to mid-term investment approach and sharings. And on Friday I have the list of the valuation, because after a seminar in Hong Kong, we have calculated a valuation ranking of globally all the countries. So what should we invest? Which is the best countries in the world, so we can invest in 2017. So leave me a comment if we can talk about that on Friday. But this time today we'll talk about a short to mid-term approach. For example, ever since the channel has opened, I've shared about the a few stocks, stronger stocks that we should invest in. For example, Amazon, Facebook, Google, especially Home Depot. I'm really a big fan of Home Depot. So ever since that happens, you can check out the stock prices. For example, Amazon, Facebook, and Home Depot. Because Amazon, when I started sharing, Amazon was priced in 700 to 800 range. So now it's 800 to 900. So they basically outperforming the index because of their financial reports, their earning ability. So that's about something about long-term investment. So that is why, and that is what we should look for to put in a portfolio, that we should spend less time in the market, but we can just do the same homework and just wait, and then we can capture the a bigger chunk of skin of the game. Okay, so sometimes speculation, I don't mean that it doesn't work, but I don't mean that it doesn't work, but for me it's really time consuming. I did triple of the amount of homework, but return may be less of what I'm doing now, or even it may be just as long as it's tied, it's the same, but my cost is really high. So you see, the globally is having a pretty pessimistic emotions right now. So should I sell it, take profit, or even I'm not buying those stocks? If should I really start to be cautious and take hold more cash for now? I don't think so right now, because the story all started on Monday. Okay, so Monday, the U.S. market opened and they were pretty good, but apparently some of the countries around the world has Easter Monday holidays. For example, in Hong Kong. So in Tuesday, globally, every stock markets we opened, but for example, Hang Seng Index was doing pretty bad. Hang Seng Index, as you can see, on Tuesday it was doing really bad. It dropped a lot. So yesterday I was really concerned, so I was waiting for the US market to open. So I checked a few of the signals that I thought shared you guys, which signals that will show the market is pretty sad and pessimistic, right? So I checked the signals. First of all, I checked the US dollar. So you can see US dollar is not going up, but this time it's not doing pretty good, because it was dropping a lot yesterday. So that means people and the money was really running out of the United States. So there must be something happening yesterday. So then I checked the gold. Okay, so you know the procedure, right? I checked the gold, and the gold wasn't doing as good. So where did money go? So lastly, I didn't tell you guys, you can check Swiss franc. So about once a year, people will be too panic that nothing can satisfy their hunger of hedging and hunger of hiding, hunger of parking. Okay, so they just park all the money. You can see yesterday, you can see money was going into Swiss franc. Another place is the euro. Okay, so for now we know that money is was leaving away from US, but a kind of doing some hedging right now. So yesterday, only few of the currency was doing good. First of all, of course, euro, right? Euro, I was going to say that it will be a pretty good place that you can buy euro for a little bit. So I bought it 2 days ago. When you see there's a triangle bottom, right? 1 point, 2 point, 3 points, 4 points, and this is a fifth point. So the fifth point hitting the triangle bottom, so why not just take a chance, right? So it went up for 1 day, so now it stopped at 1.07 around this level to USD. So we can look at this line. This is 1.76. and then we can challenge the lower high 1.09. So why it's not about euro, it's about the pounds, because in the British side, the pound was going up really crazy and insane. Look at this chart, because Theresa May happily, apparently, she was talking about, she had a speech about some more dramatic measures to do with the Brexit policies. I'm telling you, she's a smart woman, because if you are the Euro, if you are the EU, someone is leaving you, you won't show your weakness, right? Because Netherlands, France, and Germany will maybe do the same. Now UK is leaving, and now they get more of the bargaining power. That's really bad. So now I want to exit, right? So EU will, she knows that EU will really stay really firm, okay? So why not? She, rather than just stay in the middle, say, oh, now we have Brexit, we're the Brexit, it's not my choice. But what if we can stay the same with the trading terms? You know, that won't happen, right? So she's a smart woman. So she say that now Brexit is the fact. She mentioned that really many of the times. So Brexit is the fact. Now let's face it. Now think of other ways. So now you see, after UK is kind of building relationship with the China. Now Theresa May kind of start building relationship back with US. So I'm not sure if Theresa May is a smart woman or Donald Trump is really a smart businessman. But definitely there must be something going on. So that's why the pound went up like crazy. So now money will went to pound, but you see general markets now in the Eastern market before the US market opens. General market in the Eastern side was doing bad. The points drop, right? So a Euro market, but I think that regardless of the money flow and the stock market was stumbling, but with the more of the technical analysis and the money flow analysis, you will see that I know the points were in terms of points, it wasn't doing really good in the Eastern market like Hong Kong, Singapore, Shanghai, and Japan. It wasn't doing. They weren't doing really good. But technically, it shows a chance to rebound. So for now, it's really the video isn't built for this long, so I won't share any go into detail about the technical analysis and the wave theory, but something about the wave theory. Okay, so so I'm not as pessimistic as the market thinks today. So the proof is right now, if you check the Euro index like DAX, France, and all other indices, they're all going up now, right? DAX is going up, France is going up, everything is going up. Only the Swiss market is going down because yesterday the money flow is really crazy, right? So, and the other market is UK. Okay, so now money is going to the pound, but the stock market is still not going up. So people think that pound will rebound, but regarding the economy of UK, people still, we don't have confidence in the market. So now, in general, only those two indices, in general, everything is going up. So now, that's the second reason, technical analysis and the money flow analysis, showing that we shouldn't be too pessimistic. So please, not to sell your stock for now, okay? Maybe tomorrow. So you say, oh, if not, I'm not selling tonight, and you ask me to sell tomorrow. What if tomorrow it dropped more? So why not I just sell today? It's always about anticipation, right? And about how you can forecast and anticipate the risk and return. It's not just you buy one stock and then you earn your profit tomorrow. It's not that easy. So the able to manage your risk and anticipation is the key to for your portfolio to grow in the longer term. Okay, so what I mean is, even if the points would going to go down tomorrow and I sell tomorrow, yes, but we really have to pay the cost to show that we have a certainty that the stock market will have a higher chance to go down. It's not about profit and loss. Yes, ultimately it's about profit and loss, but in order to calculate the profit and loss, because no one can be sure about the profit or loss, it's always about probability. That's how I run the portfolio. So my strongest area, I can say, is the technical analysis and of course the financial reports, and I love the economy and something like conspiracy theories, stuff like that. So able for me to scale down in macro sense, and then I can scale down to the micro sense and what to invest. And for the same effort doing the homework, I can hold a longer term period, and then I will make sure I get a big chunk skin of the game. That's my approach in this 20 years of my investment life. So for the first 8 years, I just screw up. I really screw up big time. Okay, so that's kind of theory. So back to, so what should I invest? So now, if you're holding US stocks, I think you should hold it. But the money flow shows that it's strongly going to UK, but the index isn't doing pretty good. But another money is going into is the East Asia. Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, they're really strong. People, ever since day one of 2017, I told you guys, money is going to those countries, okay? And also Taiwan. Okay, so these countries is pretty promising in terms of short to mid term. So now, short to mid term, what should I invest? I guess you can look at Euro. You can look at the Euro. I told you the levels and cut-loss price. And the pounds is doing pretty good. The pounds, as long as you see it broken above the 1.26 level, I show you the calculation. But I've no time to show you how and why I should do that. Okay, but I tell you the level of that. All right. So the target price, because the candlestick is really long, really strong. So the cut loss price will be further away, but that's okay because the target price should be here, 1.31. So if you buy now, it's not as attractive, but you can buy definitely not too much of a leverage. But if you hold pounds, need to hold pounds, and you exchange in the bank, or if you're planning to go to UK. In coming days or months, you can really definitely get some pounds for now for the travel. So you see the return and risk is 1-to-1. So if you happen to already have some pounds in your hands, then really good. You can just hold it until the target price, and you can take profit or cut loss in the when you broken it below 1.26. That's the target and technical analysis of the currencies. So of course I can tell you, share more about the currencies, stock markets, and commodities, stuff like that, because as long as there chance to profit a bigger chunk of the skin of the game, so I will do that investment. Because if the bear market comes, because I in another video share about the bull and bear market, right? So the bear market definitely have a schedule, but definitely it's not now. So when the bear market comes, the only tool that you can use is FX, is the foreign exchange. No, nothing more. Nothing more. Anything with a price tag will go down insanely in bear markets. So please take note of that. So short to long term is like that. So for short to mid term. So for longer term, as I said, you can tell me if I want you want me to share more about the ranking, in terms of valuation, my own valuation models. So when the money flows into those countries, overlapping with those countries with best valuations and growth, right? So those are the countries that we should invest in. Even though we don't know the stocks, we can just buy some ETFs or funds about the whole area. That's a longer term of investments. So I'm not not yet too familiar with the your appetites of your of you guys for now. But so for now, I have something about short term. I also have something about longer term. So tell me more about what you want to hear more. Of course, housing market. I have another video, updated version on Monday. You can take a look of that video. So until next time, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe if you haven't already. So I'm Greg. Until next time, see you on Friday for my next video. Please like and share if you like this video, and subscribe and leave your comments. So I'll see you next time. Goodbye.